I really want us to focus on, usually what people do is this. They will get one product in one particular niche, let's say sports and garden. That product semi-works or it's kind of working, it's doing okay. And then they believe that what they need to do to increase their revenue or their profits is to get another product. And they get another product in another completely different new niche. Now they have to learn a new customer avatar. They have to learn a new niche completely. And then they spread themselves out too thin. They'll get another product in another niche. And that is the wrong way of going about it, right? It really is. What you should be doing, and I was having a conversation with someone, I think it was in Melbourne, about this, because I've seen a lot of people actually do this. What you should be doing is getting that one particular product that you have, adding variations to that particular product, more variations than your competitors. And when I say variations of that product, like either a color or a design, it's still the same product, but you have different colors or designs. I'm not saying do 100 variations, right? I'm saying do maybe 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, somewhere around about there. So it cements you as the go-to person for that particular product because you have more choice for the customers to choose than your competition, right? But before you go to any other niche, you actually really don't even need to go to another niche. Just stay within that niche. Make sure you're maximizing the sales that you could potentially make with that product before you ever decide to move on to another product, right? Don't do that. Maximize what you currently have. If you're not ranking well on Amazon, make sure you're ranking well on Amazon. If you are not selling on your website, make sure you sell those products on your website. If you haven't scaled your business, if it's proven to work in the US, instead of getting another product, just get those products in Australia. If it's proven to work in Australia, get those products into the UK, into the US, right, etc. That way, it works out way, way better, right? Way better, more streamlined, and a lot easier for yourself, right? So that's a big mistake that I want you to definitely avoid. Now, who else did we have? That was speaking. We had Niraj Patel. So Niraj has been focusing a lot on organic traffic. And we always know, right? So when it comes to Amazon PPC, it's probably one of the most expensive, right? When it comes to actually spending money on ads on Amazon PPC. If you didn't watch last week's call, was it last week's call? Was it Inner Circle? I can't remember. I think it was Inner Circle. But basically, I did a deep dive into Amazon PPC, and I'm probably doing a part 2 to that, where I was teaching how to save money on PPC. Because a lot of the times what tends to happen is you tend to blow a lot of money on PPC without fine-tuning or knowing how to fine-tune your actual ad account. So I did that. But when it comes to organic traffic, and I was also showing how our product listings are showing up organically for our keywords on Google. This is a really important part also of ensuring that you get free traffic to your actual website. And you can do this when you have a website. You can do this when you have Amazon too for different programs. But really, I'm talking about, I guess, having your own website here.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.